Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Ada here again, and today I am bringing you guys another cleaning motivation. So we're going to be cleaning the whole house today, as messy as it is. If you feel like cleaning, of course, be my guest. Get up, join me, and let's do this cleaning together. Let's tackle this house together. If you're new on here, my name is Ada. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, organization, and vlogs here and there. And I do a little bit of cooking because I just love cooking. Okay, and welcome to my channel. If this looks like the type of thing you like, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. So first off, before we start anything, I went ahead to put my laundry in and get the laundry done, started out before I start cleaning. So by the time I'm done cleaning, the laundry will be done and then you can put them away. So that makes sense to me. So now the laundry is here and we are back to cleaning. So you guys, this year I decided, I know you guys have heard of hearing this and I'll keep saying it and saying it and saying it until you start sharing my videos, because I feel like if you don't say something, people won't really understand how you feel or how anything is. But I've been struggling with growing my YouTube channel for a while, and I've just been kind of like inconsistent. And no, I won't say inconsistent. I just kind of like always take breaks because I always reach that burnout stage, you know. Any other my fellow YouTubers or content creators will definitely understand. When you're trying to put out videos and the views are just so horrible. I'm telling you, I know sometimes people will be like, "Oh, it's not about the views and all of that," but honestly, it can be discouraging when you're putting out all your best and just putting in all that effort and time, and then the views are just not nothing to it's not just encouraging at all. But then I'm like, this year I'm not going to look at no views or anything. I'm just going to focus on putting out more quality contents, more contents that I feel like work so well. I'm just like, I'm going to try and put out more content. I'm going to just focus on my content and make sure that it's helpful, make sure that it's either educating, fun, or just like that. So I'm like, I'm just going to focus on that and just get my eyes off the views. It's difficult to do, I'm not even going to lie, but I'm like, okay, let me see how this year goes with me being consistent throughout the year and not just giving up on anything or just saying, "Oh, I'm done, oh, I think the views are this." So I'm like, let's see how this goes. I hope you guys help me out and let's see how this goes without me looking at the views and being discouraged or anything. Just keep it going, keep it pushing, and just because I plan on being a full-time content creator, and I hope that this year proves to me that I can do it and I can be a full-time content creator. And yeah, let's see I'm just keeping my fingers crossed to see how this works. So yeah, consistency it is. You guys are going to be getting, I'm hopeful that I'll be able to put out 2 videos a week, and if not one, but hopefully I'm pushing for 2 or more videos a week, and just keep it going. So if your house is clean, is dirty, and you plan on cleaning, you can just put this on your TV, your laptop, your whatever you're using to watch, and then join me in cleaning so we can clean out this place. And I'm not going to do any more talking. I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy. Of course, I'll be coming in once in a while to kind of like chip in.
She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. I'm forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Heart is getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Not forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Heart is getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, I need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You're so scared of real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview. You think I like your body when I just got close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for. You don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. No, you don't have to try so hard. Let go of your pride. Baby, come let down your guard. Safe to come inside.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how? I played for you, I was scrappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you, that was brand new. Still it's got nothing on you. cold and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times?
I don't need no one to say you're complicated. 'Cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try. Even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. If you've gotten here, please leave a comment. Leave 2 red hearts in the comment section for me. I need some words of encouragement, whatever you can do. And this is the finished look, and everywhere is clean. My house is smelling good. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your